So this is exactly how to set up your Celly headphones. Well, the first thing we need to do is to connect it where you want to actually connect them to. So I'm just going to use my PC here as an example. And now I'm going to put them into pairing mode by finding this specific button right here and then clicking on that button until I will see a blue and red blinking light here. That means that they are now in pairing mode. So now what I'm going to do on my PC here is to go into settings, and it's the same if you have, for example, a mobile phone instead as well. And then in here, I'm just going to click on Add Device and then click on Bluetooth because there are Bluetooth speakers or Bluetooth headphones, sorry. And then I'm just going to click on Flow Beat here, of course, because that is how it's recognizing it quite often as Flow Beat, just so you know. I don't know why it's recognizing it as Flow Beat, but yeah, that's how it does sometimes, I guess. But you can see it says your device is ready to go. So now it's connected with both my mic and audio, and I can now start using them like on my PC however I want. And that is basically exactly how to set up your Celly headphones here, as you can see. And yeah, it's very, very easy to do.